Hi, my name is Patrick and I'm the creator of the Animator's Toolbar. This video is a short demo of the new frame function and its features. You've probably figured out already that when you have a layer selected and you press the new frame button, a new layer with the duration of one frame is added to the selected layer. And when you hold the shift key, that the new layer is placed before the selected layer. But did you know the same function also applies to video layers? Most users use video layers only to animate straight ahead, and they're likely to miss this option. With video layer selected, an empty frame is created after the frame at the current time, and when you hold the shift key, that empty frame is created at the current time and all later frames are pushed backward. The real power lies in the support for multiple layers. Many users create animations combining both art layers and video layers, some for detail, some for line work, and keeping those in sync when you're adding new frames can become an issue. With multiple layers selected, the toolbar will iterate through all the selected layers and apply the appropriate action based on the layer type. Okay, that was it for this short demo. I hope you liked it. See you next time.